Sneak peek into the life of a resident doctor in COVID time, something that you will never know because you are never going to hopefully make it to a COVID hospital. Now, a resident doctor, as the name suggests, is a person who's on the ground treating 24/7. So once a patient with COVID is admitted in the hospital, the entire responsibility or the buck stops with the resident doctor. I'm going to refer to her as a she in this video because they're equal she's as there are he's. Now, she has to display multiple qualities in this special circumstance. Number one, she has to treat a disease that she's never been taught about and that scientists today are still not being able to make the breakthrough, and hence she has to show extremely high intelligent function while treating patients because her decisions can be the difference between life and death. She has to show a sense of adaptability because sometimes there's no nurse, sometimes there are no staff, and she may have to change bed sheets, she may have to actually draw blood, do ECGs. She has to do that without complaining. She has to show extreme emotional resilience because a patient who we were speaking to this morning has suddenly crashed down and gone away by night, and you have to be emotionally extremely resilient to handle this kind of an up and down situation that happens all the time in these COVID ICUs. She has to be extremely sensitive because patients are not allowed to meet their relatives, and the relatives are waiting outside wanting to hear what's happening to their near and dear ones, as you can imagine, because it's a serious condition, and she has to be the communique between the patient and the relatives and speak to them and also to the patient in a sensitive manner because the patient is gasping sometimes and is really scared for his life. She has to do all this wearing a PPE suit for which if you sit in for 15 minutes also, it's like running a marathon. It's a very, very difficult situation, guys. And most importantly, she has to show the courage of not quitting. For you and me, a trip to the grocery store brings about so many bad thoughts. And this person is sitting there in a COVID hotspot for 8 to 12 hours without complaining with a smile. So the least that they deserve is good food, good, healthy staying conditions, good safety equipment, and that is not a default setting in our system, unfortunately. So type on to Dr. Aditya Daftari's Quack Doc resident COVID support link that is attached on this video. Open your hearts, open your purses, make that donation. It's going to make a big difference to these COVID warriors who are really fighting for you and me on the ground and locked down like dogs.